Hey everybody, this is Dustin, your RV specialist. So today I'm looking at a 2021 Voltage, and I wanted to show you that this unit was here not too long ago. We did a wheel bearing pack and we did a suspension inspection on it. Well, after they went on a trip, they ended up losing a tire completely. So the actual wheel for some reason came loose, and it's a really good important reminder to make sure that you're checking. You know, here's an example. Most of the manufacturers put on here these warning stickers. Wheel separation can occur on the first trip. Tighten the lug nuts at 10 miles, 15 miles, and 30 miles. Tighten to manufacturer specifications. And, you know, see the owner's manual basically. But depending on, you know, where you're driving, how you're driving, and this guy's a huge unit, it's a toy hauler, you know, with a fuel station, depending on how much weight they put in it, that all affects those axles. So keep in mind when you're driving, these axles are doing this, going up and down the road. You know, besides getting to the bumps, they're moving all over the place. So when we looked at this coach, not only did we see that these springs were really flat on both sides, especially on this side, I didn't get the right angle, but especially on this side. So this tire worked itself loose, and that could have been potentially from just the bad spring or something else. But the spring, with it not being flat, it now doesn't have, you know, the resistance to stabilize it, to keep it, to help, you know, protect the bouncing of it. So that would also jar the axle, make the tires and stuff come loose as well. That's why they're, you know, we're so big on, hey, buy a torque stick. We keep them in stock. We have them here for you, you know. But anyways, as you can see, that came loose, damaged the fender skirt, the J metal, damaged the compartment for the door of the fuel box. It's got 2 fuel tanks, so luckily those didn't get damaged. Damaged actually the back bumper. It missed the ladder, but we're waiting for all these parts to show up so that we can get it finished off. We're also going to be replacing the hub, the brake, and all 4 of the leaf springs because they're all flat. And then we actually replaced the rear molding back here as well because it actually hit that and damaged that too. So anyways, stay tuned for more, and we'll keep them coming. Hope this video helps you as a reminder. Again, make sure to torque your wheels. Thanks so much for watching.